Hey guys, today in this video I'll be talking to you about a few things I like about my Z Fold 7 and a few of the features. One thing I like is adding the app to a folder, so instead of going through all these apps, they are ordered by name, but going through all of them and trying to figure out which folder to put it in, just tap to a folder, hit that add, and then you just type search, show this, put it in theme park. I don't store into as well. Bam, just like that. Just gotta move that over. Let's see here. See, that won't move, but good for the customization. But this is what folder I go to customize my device. Also, like you can also change it to different colors as well. Any color you want. Oh no, I'm gonna leave that green, honestly. At least I know. I don't like green. That does not feel right with the template I have. Just a little bit better. The other thing I like is the now brief. So if you don't know what now brief is, I'll show you. Hopefully the device doesn't close. Well, it doesn't stop the screen record while I show you guys. And so let's show you do that. I also have another feature. Can't really show you guys the now brief because the fact that the device does lock. Well, it locks. It also stops the screen record. So I'm gonna show you guys in the settings though. I'm just noticing this. Going to fix this folder here. There we go. A lot better. Okay, we're gonna jump to our settings here. We're gonna go down to, you go to Galaxy AI, we're gonna jump into now bar as well. Scroll down to now brief. And then this will just give you a summarization of what the now brief does. The now brief does, as well as a few things that you can edit on it. So you have the audio brief where it speaks to you and tell you what's throughout the briefing. Expand now is like the settings on the expand now is basically you'll keep your phone unlocked for a certain time for an extended period of time. I can show you guys that in 1 second. So what we're gonna do here is jump into lock screen and AOD, always on display. You'll hit the now bar, and with that you can jump into different apps and applications that you can change, toggle all and off that you want on your now bar and do not. And these are all live notifications, as well as turn it on and off. I thought there was more that you could do to this. I guess not. The other thing you can jump into on this app that I love is Galaxy themes. You can jump to in settings. Oops, let's see here. Update. So let's do that. But you can jump to Galaxy themes. One thing about Galaxies, they're very customizable. Oh, they're very customizable. I can show you that here. So you go theme somewhere, or you're not gonna want to go into this. You're gonna want to jump into Good Lock, or you go to theme park. But Good Lock, this is where you do it more for your lock screen, as well as you could download the different apps to set up to work with the device. So one thing I do want to have to work on is edge lighting. I haven't really set that up as yet, but I have to set that on. See, and I would just set up a customization style board. So whenever like you get certain settings, it will show the edging border around the screen. If that feature does work pretty soon, then I'll show you guys here. Another thing is Wonderland. I have that turned on one of my few wallpapers. You could create a moving wallpaper as well as a different lock screen effect. Another feature, like I said, with Galaxies, you're mostly getting for features, customizations, rather with an iPhone, you're just getting name brand, simple, just basic device. Yes, now Apple is getting more customizable, like Samsung, but Samsung's been doing it for a long time, as well as they are better at it. Like, I'm not saying that because I have a Samsung, I do have an iPhone as well. I get a lot bit more customizations on my Samsung device rather than my iPhone. But without further ado, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what else you guys want to see with the Z Fold 7 or any features you guys want me to discuss. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Make sure to hit that like. Make sure to leave some comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one.